Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can add clickable link on YouTube Shorts. So for that, what you need to do is head over to YouTube Creator Studio, and from there, here as you can see below dashboard, we have our content. Click on that, and here you'll be able to see all type of your videos that you have uploaded, whether they are long videos or short. So let's say you choose a video, you can simply click on these three dots, click on that, and here we have this option to edit title and description. Click on that, and here in the description you're simply going to be pasting, let's say this is our link, and you're going to be pasting that in here. So that's how you can add a clickable link onto your videos and simply save it, and once you do so, you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.